Alright, so testing, audio input, I think so. Alright, so, leave that side because I don't need to make a thumbnail anymore. Well, until my next stream, but I don't feel like, let's see, I honestly forgot what I have. I don't want to hear the radio. But anyways, yeah, this is a menu for the game, and basically, the menu is just meant to look different and interesting. You see the buttons up here, all the lore stuff here, an interactable radio, an extras folder, in a pretty literal sense. Problem is, none of this actually works. If you press this, that happens. I don't know why that happens. Okay. It's been a while since I've worked on this, so I really need to become familiar with what I actually have to show for myself. Now the tablet system. Oh, that was terrible. Okay, so, this was just not ideal. Because, I mean, sure, it looks kind of nice here, but it wasn't particularly intuitive. Because you have to go through a bunch of menus. There's, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 buttons on the screen. And let's count the number of things that tell you some sort of statistic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 if you count the mute button as in that category. So it was a mess, I'm gonna be honest. So I changed this to something that doesn't hurt my brain to use. Well, it still does, but it looks nicer if I can find it. That. I surely have it somewhere. Let me search up OS. Nope. Cold OS? Nope. Right here. Angel folder. Oh, okay, so this is the thing with an actually nice looking operating system thing. I don't know if you can hear desktop audio. Let's see. What is this? I don't really care. Well, I don't know if you guys can actually hear me, but well, I figure you guys can hear me, but I don't know if you can hear the computer. But basically, this just looks nicer. It sounds nicer because it actually has a sound. And This actually uses cameras from a cancelled game. I just plopped these animatronics back into it. Well, the older animatronic models are different and arguably significantly worse. I don't know if I'm going to keep these. I really do want to use these, but the problem is, I'm not sure if the way... Oh, hello. Hi. It's nice that, people are here, but yeah, how's it going? Right now I'm just working on this. Right, so I should probably import the menu from here, if I can find it. Should I... Those are the font names. But yeah, one gripe I kind of have about bitmap, which, I mean, in hindsight makes sense because it's just a PNG image. If you export something in bitmap, it automatically goes to the middle, which for this is kind of an issue. And also it's resized, I think, which wasn't ideal for a font, because if... how do I explain it? I think it doubled the size, so 1 pixel here would be like 2 by 2 pixels, which wasn't ideal because it just makes it a little bit more frustrating, because if you don't really line it up right, then it might be a pixel off. And here there's still potential for that, but it's much more obvious when it happens, and yeah. Oh yeah, here's what I was talking about in one of my videos where, well, in the comments, but yeah, where I took a chunk out of here, and I also changed this to be more distinct, so now it looks closer to Gold OS and not Gold OS. 14 clones. Okay, so that makes sense. I think I've recently been trying to put a bunch of stuff into one sprite and use clones, but I think for this one I'll just not do that. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I can set it to be a Windows aesthetic. Windows aesthetic to 1. There we go. It's just a recolor, but yeah.
But what happened?
The cameras are a bit more pixelated. The weird outline that would kind of switch is pretty much just gone. And blue and gray and all that just looks more rudimentary in my opinion. So yeah, let's export this. Wait, where's the menu? Is this the menu? No, I don't think so. Is this the menu? Yes, it is. Okay. Let's check the code. No, that's... oh, okay, yeah. Export this. Upload sprite. Is there a way to maybe have this open on another window? What does that do? I don't know what that is. Okay. Is there a way to... okay, well, I guess I don't know what to do that, but menu and that. So let's probably change this to not happened on... Oh wait, hold on. Maybe it would be more... Angel... Was it? Fred Bears game. Wait, which one would be more recent? I'm assuming the one with a 1 next to it would be more recent. No? That doesn't look... Did I add anything? What does space do? Set in monitor to 1. Hold on. Technical difficulties. So if else at 0. Monitor equals 1. Alright. Alright, that should be working. I don't know what I was doing for this. That's... I guess... I don't think the boot screen looks as nice. Should I switch to the older version? Because on the older version it had the normal boot screen. Maybe... Oh yeah, I remember having an idea where there would just be a version of Clippy, if you know what that was. It was basically some... It wouldn't be AI, because this was back in... I don't know, was it... What is... Or what was? Because I don't think it's on any... Oh, wait, hold on. I forgot things a bit goofy sometimes. So, what was Clippy? Well, not back. Clippy. So it was an office assistant, yeah. Alright. Yeah, so just that, but for a FNAF kind of game. Because, I mean, it would fit with the little Windows aesthetic. Maybe it could act as a sort of tutorial. So what was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Switch the booting screen to not be bad. And find it. Wait, was this it? I don't know. What else? Where's the normal version? Oh, maybe that's why the other one was the most recently changed. Okay, well, we're abandoning this one. If I can think what it was. Hopefully I'll make a game report, but I'm not entirely sure. Now, if I set in monitor to 0, what'll happen? this was normally some of the stuff. Oh, yeah, save changes for now. So, this one I started to clone if so if in monitor equals 1, yeah. Hold on. Maybe I should have it be when I receive night start, night points, and then if in monitor equals 1, show otherwise high. Alright, let's see. So boots up. Oh. Oh, okay, that makes more sense. Let's reuse that. While we're at it, may as well change everything else to that as well. So, if that show otherwise hide equals 1. Hang on. Yep, okay. Okay, why is that happening? Does anyone I think I know who that's happening. Let's see. Okay, let's check what that is. Oh. Okay, that's probably why. It's waiting until something happens. When I receive night start. Don't want to forget that. Now, since this is a temporary code used to just remotely test some stuff, I'm going to put it in the background since I really don't use it much. Not currently, at least. Okay, so that just needs to be hidden. That's not ideal. Okay, now here's that. Why is that happening? If your monitor equals 1, show otherwise high. Okay. Why is that happening? Okay, that. So it's showing. It's not how it is. Is this showing? Okay, does this need to just be at the front way? Let's. Okay, there we go. That doesn't entirely fix it. change this to set ghost effect, because set ghost effect to 100. Otherwise set it to 0. This is kind of like an old gauge. Set to 100. And monitor equals 1, right? So that does work. Tell me why nothing but harder. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I'm never. Okay, here's the one with this. This is some fancy AI. Well, not even AI, just concepts for AI. So, maybe the door in front of you is a normal door with just some, yeah, normal door pretty much. Maybe you hold it closed when you have to. And then, oh. Well, one, there's someone here. Oh, hello. How's it going? I don't know if I can hear you very, or not, okay, hold on. Yeah, I don't know if the chat log updates immediately. I hope it does, but maybe it doesn't, I'm not sure. I don't really know how OBS works, but now that there's someone here, can I show you a game I made in a couple days? Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, unfortunately I haven't released this yet because I'm trying to work on it. And, I think last time I tried to make a game, I did have, I don't know what to call it, but like, not a release of it per se, but just something that people could occasionally check to see if I've been making progress. I do kind of want to do that, so maybe I should. Okay, not terrible. I think first I'd probably try and... Maybe I should make the office, actually. And, well, first I need to think of a layout for it. Should I... What it will be when and if I actually finish it, it's gonna be called Fredbear's Rebuild. It's got a menu that's different, I guess. And the concept is gonna be, this is gonna take you to a screen where there'll be like a safe, so you have to input a code. So that, a big kind of philosophy of the game, I guess, is to try and work things into the environment. No. What is that mean? Hold on, let me, I'm assuming this, Google Translate. Bing hasn't been working for me lately. I don't know why. It's been working for visiting sites, but not the search query. Maybe Indonesia just has some kind of country laws. Where was I going with this? Okay. But anyways, it was going to be a sort of safe. Where is it? Here, no, not here. Definitely not there. My bad, I'm kind of lost here. It's been a while since I've been working this. Okay, so that's no. Maybe I should start organizing. Okay, there, there it is. My bad, I don't know what that says, so I'm gonna try and use Google Translate. Some search queries aren't gonna work on Bing. Saya dari always bank on the fact that people can figure out what it means without the pronunciation indicators. guess, yeah, that's fair. It doesn't really have its own story. I mean, yeah, it builds off of a sort of different timeline, but yeah, it's heavily based on FNAF. So I think after this, I'll stop making. I won't stop making FNAF fan games, but I will stop making games specifically based on FNAF characters that are already established. It'll be my own characters or something like that. Hmm. I think I'll keep Google Translate open. I don't think Google Translate is translatable. I didn't write it correctly, to be fair, but I will just keep working on this. So I'm gonna have that. Oh, I'm going to probably make the office. So let's think of what it'll be. So it's gonna have 3 entrances. Please. So if there's just a desk in front of you, then there would be a door in front of you. Maybe this is a normal door that you have to hold. No, a full door would give you too much security. You know what? I will deal with some of that later. Right now I'm going to work on a game that I ended up making in a couple days. It doesn't have any menu music because I was trying to make it as quickly as possible for a friend and their birthday. You can see characters, you can see everything is meant to look pixelated. But yeah, I just made this in, I don't know how many days I made it exactly, but particularly enough for it to be maybe a little lacking in certain areas, such as, no. Oh, right, okay. But yeah, funny story, the person I made this game for, since it was, or their was trying to make it I was basically making it under time crunch. So they got a very broken version of the game, and it's still broken, but not as much as it was. So the power system didn't work. One of the enemies could get to the office in less time than they were supposed to. Sometimes the buttons would disappear and or not work, which they still do sometimes. If I can find out why, I'm gonna fix it. No, no. Okay. Hold on. My sibling is currently calling me, so I will be back in a few minutes. What do you want? Okay. I'm back. So, let's see if I can figure out why this is happening. So, what... Okay, that goes to the back layer. And... define clones. When I start as clone... Oh, wait. Nope, wrong spray. So when I start as clone... Okay, so let's try and setting it to the front layer. Unfortunately, I can't really test this, but... Yeah, okay, so the functionality is working. It's just that it's kind of not... Okay, I don't know why there's 7 clones now. I'm just gonna hope that's nothing. Also, the phone calls are just my voice, but I think I'm talking a little bit faster than I normally would, and it's pitched down so I sound older.
Hey, how's it going? So, the founder wanted me to call in and tell you that if anyone breaks in, try and just block line of sight instead of running out of your office.
Alright, so we're going to hope that works, and I'm going to try and beat the last night, because playtesting, because I do kind of want to release this as a game that's not just for my friend. If I can find... Okay, so night 2 to 5. Continue. Oh yeah, I forgot. So, in some aspects, the game's a little broken. And, okay, it's a dead run, pretty much. Because basically one of the mechanics of the animatronic is just, basically download a virus on your computer, which, I mean, admittedly is kind of a goofy mechanic, but you know what, may as well. For some reason this was blurry, so I'm gonna hope that this will fix it. Okay, there we go. And I think all of this was in less than 5,000 triangles. I was trying to do this in a PlayStation 1 style, so I did research on the limitations of it. And the number I got was about 5,000 triangles for a 30 FPS game. Which I was able to do. And some of the jump scares look a bit goofy, because, I mean, I can only... why do these happen to be living things that just decide to be like this? Alright, so... and, okay, so the thing is with this bug, I haven't found a replicable set of circumstances that causes the buttons to just not exist. Hold on. Before I say that, it happened after I died in the game. So let's see if that works. So whoever gets to me first. Except the penguin. I'm not going to let it download the fireworks. Right, so now if I can continue. Ah. Okay. Okay, so I can replicate the set of circumstances. Now I just need to know why the circumstances caused this. So is that the correct number of phones? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it is. So, that checks out. So what happens when that's clicked? Okay. It's got its own. So is monitor on equal to 1? I'm assuming not, because if I can find the variable. Yeah, so no. So why does it happen after you die? Is it like... no? Okay, that hides. So... okay, so does that... okay, so never mind, I did not find a replicable set of circumstances. What was on about. That's wonderful. Okay,
What's taking so long to us to go to airport?
hold on. Let me answer a question from your brother. Is there any way to lock this? Does locking this mute me? Hopefully it will. Okay. The reason you're asking why it's taking us so long to get to the airport. Well, okay. We're going there in like a month, 2 months ish. So that's when the plane ticket is applicable. So, yeah. Pretty much just because we're not going anywhere. Really? Okay. I'm streaming, so just leave me alone. Alright, so I'm back and dropped frames. I don't know what most of these statistics mean. I can figure out that this one just means how long I've been streaming. 47 minutes. Oh, okay. But yeah, if I press continue, what does it do? What do you do? So, if I kick the bucket under natural circumstances, the buttons disappear. Otherwise, no. That's interesting. Okay. You know what, maybe I should do a patch-up fix. We'll call it. Brightness. Yeah. So we're gonna do what's called a patch-up fix, where I do not fix the root of the problem, and instead find ways to ignore it, but still kind of fix the problem. So step 1, get a go-to front player. Step 2, find the button. Not there. Oh, I think it was there. Okay. So step 1, go to front layer. Step 2, just make it show whenever. Alright, so that, and I think that works. If cost of number equals 3, else if cost office. Okay. Otherwise, if office location equals 0, okay, let's just get that. So, hold on, nobody's calling me once again. I will be back eventually. Okay, so if anyone misheard me, I live in Indonesia, which is not the same as India. Um, I know some Indonesian, but not really enough to speak basic stuff, but not really enough to have long drawn out conversations and all that. As long as it works, that's what matters. No, yeah, I just kind of randomly said that because, need a patch up fix. So, let's see. Since the glitch only happens under, normal circumstances, stage 1, okay, yeah. Oh, okay, that's probably why I was so low at 1 a.m. But yeah, this is a game I've been making, well, I was making for like 5 days or something. I think 5 days now. And it's kind of unfair, so I'm going to make balancing changes eventually, I think. It's either unfair or I'm just bad at my own game. But I could never be bad at my own game. That would be goofy. Yep. Okay. Well, that's... Oh, hello. How's it going? Let's see. Hello. No. I'm not the creator of FNAF. So, I'm making... Oh, wait, hold on. Let me, can I change the name of my stream on? Okay, it's not a FNAF... I meant a FNAF fan game. Okay, I should really change that. Okay, manage broadcast, where's manage broadcast? Where is manage broadcast? Yeah, I'm making a FNAF fan game. So basically, this would just, this is a FNAF fan game, and a fan game is basically just a game that's based on another series, but not created by the original creator, but yeah, essentially, I just said FNAF game because it was shorter and I didn't think of the wording very much. Is there, nope, do not start camera. Well, I'll fix that later. Well, I can't really fix it in the middle of stream. I don't think I can change the title, but you know what? I can't change it. Don't worry about it. Okay, that's, why is that happening? So, okay, all this is true, so why is there 7 clones? Set ghost effect to 0. So that happened. I mean, oh wait, hold on. No, unfortunately it wouldn't, I don't think, because, I mean, I could probably make a port to, well, I guess port makes it sound more official than it is, but I could probably make a version that would work on phones, because the only reason it wouldn't is because, because the keybind E is what, makes it so that you can hide and, or wait, no. It makes it so you can get out from hiding and press the monitor thing. But if I just make it so that those aren't keybinds, I can just probably release a phone version. But before I make a... Oh, thanks. Thanks for the subscription. I really appreciate it. Lately I've been... Well, I started streaming occasionally recently. Well, I've only made... I don't really know how many other streams I've made before, but I appreciate the subscription. I'll try my best to start making content now that summer's rolling around. But, yeah. Okay, so from my memory, I think if I let that happen, then when it continues, there wasn't buttons here last time. Okay, I guess it works now. Except that one time, so I'm having a lot of trouble with that issue. Because sometimes the buttons were just disappearing for no reason, and I mean, I think everything is working, right? Right now I'm just testing it to make sure. How many animatronics? So, I have 4 animatronics. 3 of them can actually end the game, but one of them is just kind of an annoyance. So, this one can end the game. The only one that can't end your game directly is the little penguin dude. He just downloads a virus on your thing. But, yeah. If he does download a virus, then it's just not an ideal situation because it doesn't link to the camera's IP. Okay, so why is that happening? If it says download complete, then it's supposed to not be able to. It's cancel download. Where's the? So I'm gonna start cloning. Custom number 6. Next custom. Okay, maybe. Oh, okay. Okay, so there was about 2 seconds of downtime. So I think that's why it said download was complete. So there's there's 5 nights to it because I didn't bother making what was it, a custom night or a 6th night. I made this under a time crunch kind of, so I was trying to get this out before the deadline, and it has some jank, so just some odd bits about it. So, oh yeah, also all of the textures are made by me. You can see it in a separate project here, which was, what was it? Textures, I think that's, is this the one that has, no, that's the one with the animation that I haven't released, just because, I don't know. Did I even? Oh, don't tell me I didn't save this. I'll save this at least. There's my references, there's the thing I made. I can even prove that it's made by me by, you can't really move around parts of the PNG, so, yeah. I guess that isn't really direct proof, that's more circumstantial evidence, but I don't know if I can find the actual. Did I save the textures or did I just not? Yeah, I think maybe I just didn't. But yeah. I'm getting kind of bored, so I'm gonna make something in Blender or work on something. What should I make? Should I make FNAF character? Should I try and make something that's low poly? Let's think. I could show you around the Blender file. You can see the animatronics in closer detail. Those are the rigs, so let me hide those. So yeah, that's what the animatronic looks like. One of them sheep animatronic, the broken sheep animatronic.
Oh, there it is. Okay, so there's the penguin. And there's the bear. His movement looks a bit goofy, but it works. I don't know. Does it work? Well, oh yeah, I forgot. I never removed the keyframes for this animation, or these animations, but so every time I just have this playing, all of the animatronics are doing their little jump scare thing at once. So you can just see that. Add a broken part of the glitch. You know, that sounds like a pretty cool idea. I should consider, but and if it's based around the PS1, I could have a fatal crash. Not fatal crashes in like a car crash, but crashes in computer crash or console not working.
Oh, yeah. Some of the animation is a bit not right, because I don't think hands commonly phase into wood. But, I mean, it works since it's hard to see. Yeah. How many textures does this all use? Because I kind of forgot how many textures this uses. It uses the grand total of... I can select something. Oh, okay, I mean that's why. Okay, so this uses in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a total of 8 textures. I know this says material 007, but that starts at material, and then only after that it starts adding numbers to it. But yeah, you can see all the shapes are pretty basic. And I reused textures a lot. So this is the vent door, just turned into a cabinet. This is the same texture as the computer, it just uses the screen part of it. What does this use? I guess that uses a computer texture as well. So a lot of stuff has an odd texture applied to it. But I think I'd like to say that it adds charm. Don't say one jump scare. Okay. Right click on the side. Okay, so as part of the glitch thing, or just as part of the jump scare? Because I can do that jump scare. Work on myself. So, big problem. Let's see, what did we... That's that one. Yeah, this one, I think, kind of looked a bit goofier than the others, because I guess it didn't really look at you, or it's kind of looked awkward when it was trying to, I guess, get out of the vent. But yeah, for this, I'll just make the red outline, or red outer area. Gonna do this to add some pixelation effect. I should turn down the opacity. Now that I think of it, I could probably post this on Scratch. I don't think they ban it. I mean, they do have a policy against FNAF things, but set ghost effect to 100%. So create a clone of myself. When I start this clone, one back on there. And P10 change effect by -10. Okay, so that's... I'm gonna turn the volume off because listening to the jump scare thing several times might get annoying. So go to add-ons, volume. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, that's why. Okay, let me change that to switch to the right costume. Costume 1. Maybe wait 1 second. And then change the ghost effect by 10 again. And then hide. Actually, no, I should probably just delete. Maybe I should wait like a little bit before. darker red. Or just be more pronounced. Let's see if that'll work. I think I should wait a little bit less time. Oh, thanks. $300. Oh, okay, wait. I think I know that. Why that's happening. Let's just keep multiplying and all that, so it's always 1, starts off as 3, back down to 2. Okay, yeah, that's why. Alright, so now I'm going to try my best to beat the 5th night, just to see if it's, you know, fair. Actually, I think I remember the power of being too harsh. Alright, so yes, this is Scratch. I mean, technically it's Turbo Warp, but basically Turbo Warp is just Scratch, but it has some extra features. The art isn't made in Scratch, though, because it's 3D. So this was made in Blender. It's supposed to be a PS1 style game. PS1 style models. I don't know about the gameplay. Which line? Sure, why not? So maybe I should have it play when the jump scare pops up, or after the jump scare. Okay, so after that, okay, so I'll have it wait 1 second and start sound. Oh wait, no, not 1 second. 1 second. Play the sound, and then. So I'm just gonna insert, not really voice line, but just something to test out if it works or not. Testing, testing, testing. Testing, testing, testing. Testing, testing, testing. Alright, this should theoretically work. Oh, hold on, maybe I should make it actually play the audio. Oh, wait, that's why. Okay, hold on. Testing, testing, testing. Alright, yeah. So if I just replace that with an actual voice line, that'll work. And maybe I can switch the jump scare depending on the or not switch the voice line based on the animatronic. Yeah. Where is this? So let's rename this. Oh, I don't necessarily need to rename it yet since it's not the actual voice line. See, what voice line should I add? Play sound coordinator done. Make it so that. jump scare plus that plus 2. Okay. So that yeah, maybe I should take a break for now, since it's not that I've been streaming for a very long time, but just, I should probably focus on some other stuff. I'll do that probably in a couple minutes. Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys something else that I made in Blender, which was shred. Alright, so this is another sort of low poly style environment. I haven't used this for a game yet. I tried to turn it into a game, but I had some issues with the the fence, because I think Unity, I'm trying to learn Unity, but I think what it was doing was it was trying to save on resources by just not rendering anything that's off screen, and I guess it didn't, I don't know, something called backface culling, which I don't really know exactly the definition of that. All I know is it just kind of ends up hiding flat planes. I also made something else. Save changes before closing. No, I didn't really make any changes. It gets here. Yep. Okay, there's the low poly axe. Now if I check statistics, that should be not many triangles. Oh yeah, here's the animation I was talking about earlier. Oh, hold on. Alright, so basically it just starts off with you looking around, and it's kind of drawn out because I'm not really used to making VHS style stuff or whatever. But yeah, that thing pops up, and in the actual animation it ends up just leading to crash or whatever. let me open the file so this is, where was it? There we go. It's gonna take a while to load because it's a lot of images. Go. So aspect ratio. I know this wasn't this wouldn't be accurate to a CRT monitor, which would be what a PlayStation 1 would probably be played on, but I didn't think about that at first, so after that, the video pretty much ends, except this one thing. Fun fact, the error code, it isn't a real error code, I just made it look kind of like the words cheap scare, because, I mean, I didn't do much to really build up to it, I wouldn't say. It's just loud sound plus something unexpected. I should set a goal, and then after that I'll go do something else, and probably on stream.
So the goal would be not like a subscriber goal or whatever, something like that, but just like a goal as in just something to finish up.
Oh wait, I already have Wonder, and I shouldn't open it again. Didn't really change anything, so I don't need to save. You know what, I'll work on this thing. I'll finish the head, and then I'll be off doing something else. So, duplicate objects, near, exclude, I think. Yeah, so this isn't low poly, since it's just a normal model I made or am making. Exclude. Thanks. Yeah, oh yeah, the texture on these is, uses what's called a, displacement, which just makes it look like it has more texture than it actually does. Because normally, I would have to add a bunch of little bumps in the geometry, which would, add a bunch more vertices and probably crash my PC sometimes. So if I add a circle, that'd probably be... Actually, wait, hold on. Before I did this, I was gonna probably break. Yeah, okay. Let me just, get that. Shade auto smooth. Alright, yeah, since, so basically I'm gonna use the same body shape, the only thing that's gonna change is the head shape, so I'm going to rig this log cam, add armature, set viewport display to in front, how's it going? Oh, yeah, I do have a little brother. Pose mode, image, basically I need to line this up with the legs to work. Okay, so if you misheard me earlier, I live in Indonesia, which is different from India, which I think is the language. I don't know. Google translates inconsistent with what language it's saying. Uh, you're typing in chat because I don't know how to type the letters with the what was it? I think it was pronunciation, yes, or something. Oh yeah. Um, yeah, you might hear some stuff in the background. And if I say I have to go because my brother's calling me, it's probably just because he wants to either A, show me something, or B, tell me to get him something. Looks like the phones. Duplicate. And then this just this. I don't think the hands are gonna need to move individually. Well, the hands themselves will move, but I don't think the fingers will. Hmm. I'll still make the fingers move just in case. And if I don't need it, I can just not use it later. I oh, um, Mahal and your videos translated to Filipino English. Okay, translated into English to Filipino. The videos, I guess I can see. I do usually put a caption language. Let's see. Wait, hold on. Does setting a language make it so that the captions can be translated to anything, or does it only work with English subtitles? Because I would think it's probably just English subtitles if I set the video language to English. I'm gonna look at it, but yeah. Why is that one? Okay, there we go. duplicate mirror export. Alright. So we add. Okay, hold on. Now that this is done, I think I'll point everything here to. Let's. I'm gonna add the texture on this pause. Okay. Let me copy and paste this first so that I can. Yeah, I could probably just. I'll do that when I have to fix that. Right now, I'll just rig the body. So, okay, before I join all of that, let me just duplicate this so I can go back if I realized I messed something up or it's not right. Let me add that like that. Maybe which would be first. Desk that set origin to the cursor. Terima kasih.
So, parent with empty groups. What is happening there? Oh, okay, that's why. Hold on, little brother is calling me again. I'll be back in a couple minutes.
Okay, I'm back. You can hear the background. Yeah. My older brother's not currently watching that YouTube video, so I decided to pause it. Hmm. So close me, let's see, this is phone one, or it's just named phone. No, put it in torso. Yep. Two. Three. And hold on, Rover's talking to me. And
Did you draw this?
no, that was mom who did that.
Why she drew Indonesia?
Dylan, once again, Indonesia is a country, not just our house, but the reason she did that was because I don't know, actually.
Okay. So, who drew this?
That was mom drew all the paintings.
Mom just drew this Indonesia?
Uh-huh.
How would she do it?
Okay, I'm back. Hold on. Let me, wait, there it is.
closer. Yeah. Each and this. Copy that. Control C. Control V. Now time for the process of naming this. One, L2, and 3, and L. So left. Now we copy the process for the right, so I know where everything is. So 5, 1. Okay, hold on, I'm going to go get something. Alright, I'm back. So, so, he asked, is that Indonesia? Because, how do I explain this? So, he thinks Indonesia is just our house, when it's more that we live in Indonesia, and Indonesia is a country, not just a house. There. So, yeah, I could make a TikTok. I don't have Facebook. My mom uses Facebook, but I just generally don't use much. I don't know. I don't really have anything against TikTok and Facebook. I just haven't really started using them.
weight paint, Shift Z, so torso, weights, so what I'm doing right now is something called weight paint, which makes it so that these bones can actually move the character around. That makes it easier to just pose it, and yeah. Hold on, let me get something up. Google Chrome.
Is there a way to set all vertices to a certain weight lighter? See, assign vertex group. You know what, I'll just do it the normal way. Since this is the only reference image, I'm just gonna hide this. So I can just go to, not vertex paint, weight, not texture paint either. Weight paint, there we go. I don't know why this kind of looks weird in some spots, but I will mostly ignore that. It'll be fine. Why don't I just, considering it has a mirror modifier, I can probably just modeling. Hold on, my brother is talking to me again.
I know how to fly the spider. I know how to. You will turn into spider zombie.
No, that's not what happens.
You will turn into spider zombie.
I didn't want that.
That's true.
No, you don't turn into a spider zombie, okay?
If you swallow the spider, then you'll turn into...
If you swallow a spider, it's probably gonna either A, bite your throat, or B, get dissolved into your stomach.
You will turn into spider zombie. That's what it says me. That's what it tells me on the movie.
And movies aren't always real, though.
Well, if you swallow the spider, then you will turn into spider zombie.
Okay. Please exit the room.
Okay.
What was that necessary for? I guess what country? I know Malaysia has a pretty similar language to Indonesia. Pretty sure, right? Really? Is that nice? My little brother's Slovenian. Is it possible? I don't want to say Malaysia, even though, I mean, I think, yeah, Malaysian is similar to Indonesian. It's similar. I'll say, oh, okay. Oh yeah, that makes sense, actually. Nice. See. So let's delete half the vertices here. Don't dissolve them. Delete them. There we go. Now when I go to weight paint, it's not gonna look so weird. It's still gonna look kind of weird because this, but it'll be fine. Now let's test if that'll work. Suppose mode. I don't think that's how physics works. Oh, that's why, okay. Okay, that works better, but okay, you know what? Realistically, that's as much as it's gonna be rotated, so I'll say that works good enough. Now, on to everything else that needs to be weight painted. Alright, hold on. I need to weight paint these as well. Vertex paint for torso. Let's see. No, not vertex paint. There we go. You might also hear some random show in the background. Less of a show, more of a YouTube video, but close enough. That's not for Twitter. Wait, hold on. No, that's not for torso. This is torso as well. We can. Thanks. Thank you for the kind words. What should I add here? Well, I guess I should just work on the arms. Vertex paint. Since this is gonna have to be more precise, I can't just... Actually, wait, hold on, I have one more thing I can do that's not very precise, which is the hip. Weight paint. It's the hip bone, radius 1. Alright. And so if I move this, the armature, but, oh yeah, because everything's granted to it. Never mind. So, weight paint, we are going to go to the right arm 1. Oh, wait, hold on. Hopefully it'll be fine. So, the right arm 1. So that's 2. Okay, so I think that makes enough sense. One thing about knowing a second language, even if only a little bit, is you can talk to other people without people that you don't want hearing the conversation to hear what you're talking about. So this doesn't always have to be for a bad purpose, because you could just be talking about, hey, get me a spoon, or
Wasn't he free winner adult rival road? Why you don't want to be smaller?
Okay, I'm back. Hold on. Yeah, alright, I'm back. So yeah, you can just, be talking about, like, hey, can you do this? Can you, like, for example, get me some clothes, or something like that. But if you just want to talk to someone, it's just nice to know a second language in general. I can just do here and weight painting in Blender is known to be pretty tedious, because
it just takes a while. But it's not too bad. I like to just see the colors come right. Hold on. Alright, I think should be working. Don't question the background noise. So, once I get the, so basically if this is, if it's red, then it's affected by the bone that I'm moving, but if not, it's not. Okay, so that. Now, right on number 3. Okay, hold on, what are those talking to me again? You don't know how to play chess.
Of course I know.
Even if you did, I'd
I'll
beat
know
you.
the way. Not like this.
There are rules to chess. I'll play with. Alright, but I'm still gonna be talking to the screen. Okay, set it down here. Alright, my little brother wants to play chess, but he doesn't really know how to play chess, so I'll just have him set up the board right here. Okay, I'll get the pieces. Hello. How's it going? Right now I've been, weight painting in Blender, which basically makes it so I can make, add basically like, kind of like a skeleton. Right now my little brother wants me to play chess, and, I mean, he doesn't really know how chess works, but I can pretend like he knows. So this, and then So I'm going to try and quickly get the arm or the forward.
What is done. That. So, so once I have just this part done, I'm gonna test if part of it's working. Not all of it's gonna work because just I need to paint the hands still. And you'll see what I mean by it doesn't really work. Just yeah.
Ready, start, Ethan.
Okay, well, I was hoping it wasn't. Uh, hold on. Little brother, did not see okay. Oh, okay. Unfortunately, this is my name, but, oh, I was just hoping to be grateful. And so, right now, he's doing moves that are about to do chess. Okay, that streak has been broken because you're not allowed to. No, that's okay. You know what? Let's pretend like it is. You didn't even put it back in the same place. Alright, so. Oh yeah, I'm still doing the animatronic. Wait, hold on. Can you guys hear me? I think you guys. I think so. But yeah, my little brother just wanted to play chess, but he doesn't really know the rules of the game, so he's making moves that you cannot do in a real game of chess. And I am not going to, I'm not going to cheat because, well, cheating against someone who's younger than you. This seems weird.
No.
I think most of this is.
Come on, go down. Won't be long. Here,
What this does is this lets
please
me
go with us. Come on. We're just gonna run around and go to the beach.
move the arm around. Don't mind the hands. I
We'll
didn't
be
do
by
that
our
yet.
game.
He's already did, that's why.
So look, yeah, it can.
Come on, you gotta go with us.
The hand
We'll be right back.
hasn't
We'll
been
be right
painted
back.
yet.
I don't like
I need you to go with me, son.
You need your
I
help.
need your help.
You're getting stuck.
But I'm not strong enough.
Come on,
I tell you.
just for a little bit. We'll be right back. Here's your glasses.
I tell you, I'm not strong enough.
Well, you don't have to be strong.
Alright, I'm back. Well, currently they're going to, I assume, shop or something. But it's going down to a convenience store to get maybe, I'm not sure what they do. But they just figured they'd bring my little brother, since, sometimes he bothers me at home. And, you know, I'm fine when he just kind of wants me to play or something like that. When I get kind of irritated is, when he just starts whining about something that I cannot fix. But, that's how siblings are, so I'm gonna deal with it. Alright, so now, be there, so the hand should be here. I think this should work. So, I think fingers these should be affected areas. Huh. It's lagging. Alright, yeah, that's fair enough. Sometimes over here, internet's a bit odd, so I don't know if it's the same case over there, but from my experience, internet can be inconsistent. Use mode. Yay, okay, so that works. I think. It looks a little strange, but it works enough. Now for the thumb, quick paint. So I think after this, the arm should be done. I think. Yeah, because this arm will be done, then I'll have to do something like kind of the same on the other arm. I think that's everything. So let's try moving the whole arm. Yep, looks like it works. That looks like it also works. Yep. Works. Okay. Yeah, hold on. So, oh, okay, I know what's happening. So, yeah, and don't separate bones. Okay, why is it? Okay, so if I separate the bones, and then what? No, don't. Okay. So if I go to close mode, edit, parent, parent, make, keep offset. So if I rotate, no, that's not how. That is unfortunately not how that's supposed to work. Oh wait, hold on. Actually, okay. No, that's still not how that's supposed to work. Okay, let's edit mode. Let's try closing this. Edit mode. And make keep offset. So if I rotate this now, okay, let's try this one more time. Why is this? What? Object, transform. Nope. I don't think that's how that's supposed to
that works as normal. That doesn't work as normal. Wait. Hold on, what? Some are. Check weight paint. Some are should be working. So why is it not? Okay, so let's go back until here. So are these separate? Yes, they're separate, right? How to join okay, so Control Alt D Control Alt D. Those might. That doesn't work. So if I just select one. Okay. So I think I messed something up along the way. Something to do with this. Because these are separate for some reason. Edit. Edit. This and this. Join. So I cannot join. Alright. I don't want to remake the hand, but it might to be. That would be fun, but it won't be the end of the road. So, fortunately, we are going to have to do that. So, that's. Delete selected phones. Okay, so now there's that. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to do that. Okay, now that's connected. So now that we have a properly made mesh, or not mesh, armature. Okay, is this? Let's check this part just to see if that's gonna have the same issue. Okay, so it's all in one thing, so that's nice. Control D. Object to phone. Transform. Okay. Please. No. Alright. That's. So I think we need to.
Okay, so why is this finger connected to this bone? Edit, Control P. Nope. Keep offset. Okay, does that work now? Yay, okay. So we're not gonna have to do all the extra remaking for this, for the other one once we paint it. So, unfortunately that's a lot of our progress gone, but no matter. So, weight paint, vertex paint, weight paint, R, so unfortunately some R does not exist currently, yeah. Okay, that is R, fingers, R, hand, R. Alright, so, let's see, weight paint. What fun R does it speak of? Does it work? Oh, wait, what? Renaming it worked? Yay! Okay, never mind, I'm not gonna have to redo anything. Yay, now I can make it do a thumbs up, even if the thumbs up looks a little, a little weird. Okay, I think I bent that a little bit weirdly, but it's fine. That will not need medical attention. Okay, wait, hold on. I think I know where this is happening. So, Control B, offset. So I'm trying to pose. Alright, I know I said I was gonna leave stream when I had the whole mesh, or the whole thing rigged, but I realized that's a lot bigger of a project than I realized it was gonna be. So I'm going to probably make another stream tomorrow. So bye. I hope you had a good time, and I will see you tomorrow.